Welcome to another episode here at my YouTube channel. My name is Tom with the call sign Lima Bravo 6 Quebec Juliet. Yesterday, I introduced the idea of having basically a small little program on your computer that you didn't have to install, and that was absolutely platform independent, and it was grabbing the data that an amateur needs. And today I believe I have solved that problem. Well, for me, I have solved the problem because I have both Windows, I have Linux, and I'm also using Mac. And I wanted a small program that I could just save it on my computer and just run it without installing it. And it is finally working. I used a couple of hours on that because working with AI is not very cool if you don't explain everything precisely the way you want it. And it was a lot of trial and error to get it to work. And for disclaimer, I have been using ChatGPT and DeepSeek for this HTML file that I just call it a program because it's kind of is a program, but kind of not. So what it's doing, it is generating a clock. As far as I understand from the source code, it is grabbing the UTC clock from your own computer, but anything below the clock is grabbed from the internet. So the KP index is from a file from NOAA. That's why it's not formatted in a special way on this HTML page sides, but it's grabbing the information and show them as they are from NOAA. And then it grabs the SFI and the A index from another file from NOAA and is making a JSON request to another file. And it is getting all of the data in 4 different instances, basically in 4 different requests that View UTC is doing when the file is starting. It has to be done that way, or some funky stuff is happening that I don't understand. And I wanted this program specifically to work with adjustable size. It is doing that to some extent, but when I am going over a certain limit, I haven't figured that one out yet. It is having a lot more space around it, and I need to figure out how to do it. But maybe in the version 2, because originally it was this amount of space in a small window. And then I alerted DeepSeek about it, and it wrote something in the file called, where is it? Yeah, here it is, media queries for smaller screens. So this is what it is doing. So apparently when the window size is less than the max set by this one, it increases the fonts on the data that is showing. And it is doing that 2 times, one for 480 pixel and one for 768 pixel. How all of that is working, I don't know. But it is working very well. Everything is open source. You can just take a good look on that. Of course it's open source, it's HTML. It's a little bit scripting and stuff that I don't understand very much at, but it is doing what it's supposed to do. I checked the code multiple times, and this code does not upload anything to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. And what it is also doing is that it is updating all of these data sets every hour. So every hour, this silly little ham clock is connecting back to Noah to see if there are any new information. And you can adjust that by replacing the 4 digits. So this is 3,600 seconds. Why it is with 3 extra, I don't know. But if you want it for a half hour, you just set 1200 and 1200. So, and you can also have different times on when you want it to look for new k-index data and when you want it to look for new data line. Well, this one is update data line. It grabs the SFI, A-index, and sunspot number every hour. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. I do have some requests. Eventually, I will plan to release it on GitHub so anyone else can hopefully develop on it, and perhaps even make something way better than I do. This clock solves my problem, and I made it just originally for me, but I wanted to share back into the community on what I have been doing for since yesterday, basically. So I hope you like it, and if you do like it, what you're seeing here, you can also download the file from a Google Drive link down in the description and just save it on your desktop and just use it. And if there's stuff that doesn't work, just let me know and I'll try to solve them with the minimum programming knowledge that I have. I do wish you a nice day, and again, hope you liked the episode, and of course, hope you like Vue to C. All right, bye bye.